welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do angle. Our learning objectives are fundamental geometrical constructions, angle, measure of an angle, the protractor or D, to construct an angle of the given measure and types of angle. So first is fundamental geometrical construction. A point is the smallest space, imagine, but practically a point has no length, breadth or thickness. A point has a certain position. We mark a dot to show a point. Point can be indicated by A, B, C, M, N, O, X, Y, Z, etc. So point that indicate the certain position, means किस position पे है, it is always denoted by the capital letter. Next is line segment. If we join two points with a ruler, we get a line segment. It is the part of the line, it has two endpoints. The following line segment is named as AB. AB is a line segment. Line segment have definite length and two endpoints. Next is line. If a line segment is extended in both directions endlessly, it is called a line. A line cannot be drawn on the piece of paper. We put the arrow on each end of the line segment to show the line. The arrow denotes that the line is going on in the direction of the arrow with no end. The following line is named as line AB. The line has no endpoint. Two side arrow, that means it is a line. So here AB is a line, means it can be extended endlessly in both the direction. Next is fact file. The line is always straight. There is nothing like a curved line. It is totally false to think a line of two types, straight lines and curved line. Instead, we have lines and curves separately. Next is ray. A ray has one endpoint and extends endlessly in other direction. A ray is named as AB ray. Ray AB and BA are entirely different, because here ray AB, that is showing the initial point. B means इस direction में इसको endlessly extend कर सकते हो. So it has one end point and one side arrow, and this so ray BA. So they two are totally different. Next is angles. A figure formed by two rays beginning from the common point is called angle. For example, ray BA and ray BC are the two rays beginning from the common point B. A common beginning point of these two rays is called the vertex of the angle. Two rays making the angles are called the sides or arm of angle. The symbol of angle is this. This is the symbol of angle. The angle is named by the name of its two sides as one point common. So, it's three letters. The letter of the vertex is always written in the middle. The name of the angle in the above side figure is angle ABC or angle CBA. This is the common vertex B, two rays BC and AC. So, name of angle ABC or CBA. Clear? Next is fact file. Sometimes the angle is named by the letter of its vertex only. Thus, the angle in the above side figure is named as angle B. We can also write angle B. Next is angle is formed by the rotation of rays. The movement of the ray with its endpoint remaining stationary is called the rotation. Rotation forms an angle. The initial position of the ray forms one side and the final positions form other side of the angle. Example of angle in daily life. Angles between two legs of the table, the angles between two walls, the angle between the two hands of the clock, angles between the two arms of the compass or divider. These are some examples of the angle in daily life. Next is measure of an angle. The amount of rotation by the ray about its endpoint is called the measure of an angle. Thus, if a ray, after making the complete rotation, coincide with the initial position, the angle formed is called complete angle. If the ray after making a complete rotation means एक point के पूरा around complete rotation complete करेगा तो that is 360 degree or complete angle. Here this is right angle, straight angle, this is 90 degree, straight, 180 degree in complete angle, that is of 360 degree. If a ray after making the half rotation become just opposite to the initial point, the angle formed is straight angle. Clear? If the ray make the quarter rotation of reach final position, the angle formed is called the right angle. Right angle is also big measure, so we divide the right angles into 90 equal parts. Each part is called a degree. Degree is the basic unit of measure an angle. We write 1 degree as 1 degree. Thus, the complete angle is of 360 degree and straight angle, that is 180 degree. Next is the protector or D. We use the protector to measure the angle. It is D-shaped or semicircular disc. The semicircular edge is divided into 180 equal parts, each pointing to the center of the protector. The line 0 degree, 180 degree is called the base and the midpoint is called the center of the protector. To measure the angle formed either side of the middle point, degrees 0 degree to 180 degree are marked starting from each end of semicircle. So this is a semicircular protector or D. This is the center of angle and 0 degree to 180 degree. It has two scale, inner and outer. This is the inner scale 0 to 180 degree, this is outer 0 to 180 degree. Clear? At this line, that is the baseline. To measure a given angle with the protector, let angle XYZ is given angle. Put the protector in such a way that the center of the protectors fall on the vertex Y and the angle and the baseline on the side YZ. The count from 0 degree starting from the YZ side of the protector, read the degree measure on the protector at the point where it meets the other side YX. In the above figure, YX cuts at 67 degrees, so angle XZ and Y is 67 degree. So here we have to measure this angle, so we will take the protector and this center point that should be on Y. Clear? And this line along the baseline that should be along YZ. Now the other point. So Z will take 0 degree from here, that means outer scale, and here it is X point. So the measure is 67 degree. Clear? In the following figure, angle MNO is 45 degree. We counted from 0 degree of the scale starting from NO side of the angle. Read the degree measure on the protector at the point where it meets the other side NM. Like here, this is center and we have started NO. ये baseline के along होना चाहिए, started from here. So 0 degree will take the inner scale. So here it is of 45 degree. Here that is 45 degree. So angle is of 45 degree. Clear? Next is exercise 15.1. Name the line, line segment and ray. First, PQ. This is a line segment PQ. Clear? So you have to practice all the questions here. Next is to construct an angle of given measure. Let us draw an angle of 36 degree. Draw a ray YZ. Now place the protector such that its center falls on Y and the baseline falls on YZ. Press the protector with the left hand. Now we count 0 degree starting from the YZ and mark the point X just near the edge of mark 36 degree. So first what we'll do, we'll construct a ray YZ. Now we'll put the protector like this, that the Y should be on center of the protector, and this line YZ along the baseline of the protector. Now start 0 degree from here, that means outer scale, and we have to construct 36 degree. So here 30, 35 and 36. Mark the point here, this is x, and join them together. This will make the angle 36 degree. Clear? We remove the protector and draw the ray yx. Then angle xyz is the required angle, that is of 36 degree. Now we will take an example. Draw an angle of 136 degree. We count from 0 degree to BC side 146. Angle ABC is 136. So, first we will draw a ray BC. Now put the center point of protector at B, that should coincide with B, and this baseline with along BC. Now 0 degree here, so we'll take outer scale 136 degree. So here outer scale है 130, 35 and one more mark, one small division, that is 136. That is, we'll mark a point here and join them with B. BA, that is the ray BA, and this angle ABC, that would be of 136 degree. Clear? Next is types of angles. Angles are called of different type, measure less than or more than the right angle or straight angle. First is acute angle. Angle whose measure is less than 90 degree but more than 0 degree, acute angle. Right angle, angle that measuring exactly 90 degree, that is right angle. Obtuse angle, angle whose measure is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, that is obtuse angle. Straight angle, angle whose measure is exactly 180 degree, that is straight angle. Reflex angle, angle measuring more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, that is reflex angle. So here this is acute angle, right angle, obtuse, straight. This angle, that is reflex angle. Clear? Next is exercise 50.2. With the help of ruler and protractor, draw the angles of the following measure. First is 25 degree. So you have to take the ruler and protractor and draw these angles. So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.